Hey, what's up? Welcome back to DIY Guy. This week, got a small little tool haul, Harbor Freight, some Milwaukee, DeWalt. Just a few little things I picked up. First haul, first time at Harbor Freight. I picked up this 72 tooth 3/8. Used that $5 off coupon. And these, just a little quick tip, if you buy a Harbor Freight ratchet, when you get it from the store, it's going to sound a lot like this. Real clunky. Doesn't sound all that great. But what I do, take the ratchet, take the screws out of it, and throw some grease in there. You're getting a real nice, smooth action on your ratchet. When I got this, grabbed the freebie, magnetics parts holder. And my second trip to Harbor Freight, got the 1/4 inch composite. Did the same thing with this one. Greased it, just some regular old grease. Picked these up, gotta lock stuff up at work. And with that, I grabbed the free moving blanket. That was pretty much it for Harbor Freight. Also, stopped at Home Depot, grabbed this Milwaukee tape. It's nice. It's got this nice auto lock feature. And as you can see, it's upside down, but it's a dummy tape. I'm not a carpenter, Picked up this little bit case. It's like $9, Home Depot. I think this was actually a Lowe's purchase right here. Needed those been taping my house off for paint. Had to get these here. And the last thing I got is these guys here. Just look like normal Milwaukee batteries, but these are actually some knockoffs from eBay. About, I would say a third or even a fourth of the price of a normal Milwaukee battery. I charged one up all the way, and I threw it in that there light on high, and I got about 48 minutes of runtime. I haven't actually timed a actual Milwaukee battery, but that's something I'm going to do later on this week, is compare these batteries with the legitimate Milwaukee batteries. This battery here. So I'm going to take the two, square them off, and see if the 72 watt hours that these claim to be are close. But yeah, that's pretty much the haul for this week. Don't really have too much more. Oh yeah, also this week we're gonna be doing a full review on this guy here. It's the new Gen 3 impact driver. But thanks to the guys that subscribed this week, I appreciate it. I subbed back to you guys, and anybody else that wants to subscribe, like videos, I'll like your channel. Yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later on this week. DIY Guy, out.